The more you learn, the more knowledge you gain. LA Coaching Center Nongpoh provides special coaching for class 9 and 10 in maths for MBOS, CBSE and ICSE. Coaching for class 11 and 12 commerce and BCom. Coaching for job aspirants in the field of finance and accounting. Coaching for Intelligence Bureau SA Recruitment 2025. Register yourself immediately by calling 977-431-9227 or 9366-531176.
Ke District Disaster Management Authority Nongpoh, Bhoi District, Hanin ngasi kelalaban sedang ya ke Jingai Jinghikai ke bah nyosi ya ke melatip kum ke Yuva Abda Mitra Volunteers ya ke bala penlong Bhoi College Nongpoh ke bala long ha ke Jingi Trilang bat ke National Disaster Management Authority SDMA NCC NSS NYKS bat ke Bharat Scout and Guide ke Jing temu ke bah kemat jong ne ke Jingai Jinghikai ke deh bawan ke Jingja Lyngshop ke Mariang bat kumno banyo Iarap Wood Haba don kum kita ke Jingja pat ki jingdon kam banirap mudwud da ke bahika yeg Samla bakinla banirap ikipai ba habawan kum kita kapor kumba ars pa new perangot ki Samla jongga NCC NSS NYKS bat BS and G jongga distrik Bhoi kinyo yeg Jinghikai bat katok ane ki tiar gitar bat kilat yada na ke banta lais nem kenti Hagini Sdang ke kong bala kenti urani kepada Additional Deputy Commissioner ke Distrik Bhoi kalauan poi kum ke kongsan ban peli perda yak jing Sdang jong ke Jingai Jinghikai kabala long ro ha ka jingi dan lang jong ba BK swear ubdiu Deputy Controller and Training Coordinator Civil Defence and Home Guard Nongpoh nangta ke Dr. I Kharkongor kepada ke Principal ke Bhoi College uba B Khmdej ubdiu Program Officer NSS Bhoi Synod College uba P Hing ubadai Program Officer NSS Balawan College nangta ke kong YV Imli kepada ke Program Officer NSS Bhoi College berkiwai-kiwai.
Leadership of Association of Students and from the District Management Authority, I would like to interest all the trainees for this last batch. That it's not only about because I know you all students of colleges, and I know that you have a lot to learn from both classrooms. But I would like to stress out is be present when you need to be alive. Be conscious by the training that you have in this 7-day-long training. I hope that will make you more attuned and conscious to the environment. Now, suppose you see something and it's survival skills. Okay? So one of the most basic things that I think that this training will be the kind of training that will be important to you under the leadership of us. So in this team and other like from the MHO, from fire emergency, they will be teaching you a basic skills on how to rescue, how to give first aid, okay? And at the end of the training, maybe if not sometime shortly, maybe sometime around the next month or the next couple of months, will be equipped to with the emergency kits for each Apna Mitra volunteer will be also equipped with emergency kits. So the government has a very kind of detailed objective in organizing such training. It's not just out of the blue or it's just
Pidon kam nong shondur ne nong ringdur hakijing kawai jongpi ne kijing kendu sa kan mau jongpi phun shengi ngin penle mangi katkum ke jingkwa jongpi kador gababit la kadai mensi ne menir pranyo lai ariwei sau iwei
Rainbow of Sound Music Academy Badan Maubri Bhoi District baju pelong shis yin shis tayo Holiday Flower Higher Secondary School Maubri akhot ka wer sngewbha ban admission ye pi baro ki knaret bat ki balarang baru ki bakwa bunyo ejina jing tep shipang music but theory but practical hakani music school pin sayo shibor ki jingkai paper kum ka keyboard guitar tonic solfa khasi traditional instruments Indian classical vocal drum but violin kani music school ki pelong ro street performance per ki music concert amal los nam kum kadak ban ailar ki khna ki bapulia kani music school bakini shimbanta kiran san ban peni ki sap ki phong ki bakidan ipriang songbai pi baro ki bakloi ban pulie kani music school ban tep khambanya songba ban phone kini number publish bun